Good morning, everyone. Today I'm doing another Mintay challenge, doing the card a week, and our word today is shine. So I actually tried to use my glossy accents, and I think it's done. I've hardly used it. And then I tried to use this one, which I used maybe a month ago, and I couldn't get that one to work either. So anyhow, I pulled out my Wink of Stella brush, and I'm going to use that. And I'm starting out with Ladies Secret and one of the scalloped Mintay cards. Now I've cut mine down so that I can just see that edge there, and this will fit into my card or into my envelope. And I made it a little bit smaller, so even though I add dimension to it, it should fit in there fine. I've taken this piece of paper from the 6x8, and I've cut it to the size that would fold over the edge and still be right up to the edge here. So I'm going to put that on as soon as I put down my glue here, which I can see it. So I'm going to start with tape. And I scored this on my Martha Stewart scoreboard. I'll tell you, it's worth it. Just even if you only do cards with it, it's worth it. Okay, and so I am gonna stick that on here. Whoops, I forgot I got tape on it, and it's just gonna stick wherever. and it's committed. Look at that. Okay, come on up. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it. Terry. I'll tell you, even the part that I had off still was sticking. Okay, this will never be seen. Okay, let me try that again. Okay, this time I am going to start right in that fold. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I think we got that. I just was like, oh, that's going to be harder for that glue to stick to that fold. So I was kind of, not even worried about the rest of that tape. Okay. Okay, but now that it's there, it should be easy. Okay. And I see a little bit of white there. I might just have to go cut that off. Let's see, I got my little cutter here. See, there's a reason why I don't always put stuff away. Okay, I'm just going to cut a little off there. Oh, maybe not, because this is going to be too big. Okay, I'm going to take it to my other cutter, and I'm going to cut that off, or maybe I can do it with scissors. I'll be right back. Okay, I trimmed it down, and I got to tell you, it's harder to get over that edge and glue it down than what you think. Okay, so I've got one of the pretty flowers, and I'm going to put that on here first. And I'm going to put it, I'm thinking right about there. I'm not going to push it down real hard yet. Okay, and then I have this pretty fan. This collection is just gorgeous. And I have lots of girls in my family, so I can always use girly cards. Okay, I'm thinking that there. And I still have room for this because I want this right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and push that down. And then I have this perfume bottle, and this is where I'm gonna use some Stella. But I'll do all that at the end. And I've got this up on dimensionals. And I'm putting it right in front of that fan. Okay, and I've got 2 of the feathers. And I'm gonna put them together like this. And I'm gonna put them just like that. At the end of the year, I should have about 50 cards. Now, it didn't start right on January 1st, so it won't be quite 50 cards. But at the end, I'll probably give some of them away since I'll have so many. Okay, and then I have this mask, which, isn't that just so pretty? I love it. So I've got that. And of course, up on dimensional, that's what's taking me so long. I like to have some bit up on dimensionals. And I'm gonna put it right where the green comes through the eye holes, so it doesn't look like there's eyes there or something. So I'm just adjusting that. Let's see here, I think. About like this. So the streamers aren't hanging over the edge either. Because I might glue those down too, I'm not sure. And then I have a butterfly. Because I've told you, if there's a butterfly in the collection, I'll probably use it. Okay, and I'm sticking that right up here. Remember, you want to push the body down first where your glue is. Otherwise, you'll just have a level butterfly. Okay, and now I'm hoping that the glue is dry in that crease enough that I can fold it up. Okay. And I'm using a little lacy piece of the paper that looks like this. And I'm going to put that right down on the edge. Let's see, I think I'll tape it. And I'm putting that right underneath, and I'll glue this down better too when I get to that part. And I'm putting this right up against the edge. And I made it just a little bit longer so that I could trim it off and it match the edge. Okay, and then I'm gonna take these gems and tweezers. Okay, I was gonna say, I know they're here. And I have these, I've got 2 different gemstones that I thought would work. Oh, this one here, it's a neat shade of green. It's kind of sagey maybe. And I'm gonna put one in each one of the little scallops in between. Because I'm just bringing out the shine. Anything shiny. And now we have an emerald in here. Now I do not have emerald color, so I think I'm going to put one of these there too. Okay. Is there any place else I want to put a crystal? I mean a gemstone. I think that's it. Okay, I'm going to put the glue on here, and then I'm going to use the Stella. Oh, I think I wanted to put one on the bow. What color do I want to put there? I'm going to use, maybe I'll use that same color, that way it's kind of uniform. And I'm just going right on the bow. I think that's it there. Okay, and then I'm going to use the Stella. And I'm going to use it on the entire bottle, except for where there's a label. Oh, and there's like a string wrapped around that, the tassel, so I'm not going to put it there. So I won't put it where the tassel is, I'm just going to put it where there's a bottle. And not over that label, because I want it to look just like the bottle shining. I think this turned out so pretty. Love it. I've already done one with this collection. That was gorgeous. And I might like this even better. I love like those little half masks. I think they're so pretty. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, it looks like there's emeralds here, so maybe I'll go and just touch these, but they're smaller than that one where I put the gem. But this kind of gives the illusion that there's a gem there too. It looks really good. Oh, and there's actually some down here. There's lots of places to make it shine on this. I didn't realize. Okay, I think that's it. It's gorgeous. I don't know if I'll need to do like a second coat. I've only used Stella like once or twice, but it kind of gives the illusion that it's a glass bottle and those are gems. I don't know if it shows real good there or not. I'm trying to focus, but hopefully you can see that. But it's beautiful. And then in the inside it has the little gems and that little lace. So that's it for today. I will have close-ups at the end, and I will see you tomorrow. If you haven't seen my 30 days of sketches, go over and check that out next. Have a wonderful and blessed day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.